rev limiter. The more time you spend on it, the more it costs you in a race. Knowing when to shift is critical to keeping your vehicle in the optimal power band and saving expensive engine components. If the tach you purchased did not come with a shift light, or you prefer your OEM tach, a digital shift light might just be what you're looking for. Today we're going to install and test the digital shift light from MSD on our Project 666 Mustang and show you exactly how easy it is to install and test. The MSD DSL shift light is compact in size to allow for a variety of mounting locations. It features an easy-to-view LED readout, making it simple to adjust for a desired shift point. And the wiring? As simple as connecting 3 wires. That's it. The first step of the install. Mount the shift light with the included bracket, making sure to still access the buttons on the side of the shift light. The wiring has a simple 12-volt switched power source, ground, and tach signal. Take note, if you have a vehicle that has a distributorless ignition setup like a GMLS or Ford Mod motor, MSD includes a GMR pickup to properly convert the tach signal from the coil pack. This pickup will typically hook up to a coil-positive wire with an output tach signal wire hooking to the DSL shift light, plus a ground wire. Fairly simple so far, right? Well, that was the difficult part. With the MSD DSL shift light mounted and wired up, programming the light's the last step. Pressing the 2 buttons simultaneously puts you in programming mode. The first step, adjust the activation RPM for the shift light. Next, adjust the cylinder count and fine-tune the shift light illumination to your desired intensity. Setting it to 0 will turn off the shift light, while 9 will give maximum brightness. Once the shift light is wired up, it's time to test it out. MSD recommends starting at a low RPM to make sure the RPM on the shift light corresponds with what the tach is displaying. With everything checking out properly, move the shift light a few hundred RPMs below the desired shift point to allow for adequate reaction time between the shift light's illumination and the time it takes to shift. In a matter of 1 hour, you can have your MSD DSL shift light mounted and ready to go. Now when you hit the track, you can keep your eyes on the track, knowing the MSD shift light is going to be there when you need to grab that next gear.